All right, so good morning. First off, I already shot some videos. I don't know the placement of them on the timeline here, but we are doing another collaboration with the Blue Crew, as we call them. If you watched another video, you'll see what we do is we kept stealing each other's shit. So we ended up taking all of our stuff off each crew and painting the stuff blue and red. So they got all the blue stuff and we got all the red stuff. I call them the Cool Blue Crew. But anyway, we're collaborating with them today on a big pine tree. Their job, we had nasty rainstorms last night, so their job got moved. And the job that we had, me and Nick on the red crew, we needed the lift for it anyway. It's a lift and stretch job. So we said screw it. We left some guys back at the yard and split some wood and cleaned the yard up a little bit, sweep out the building, and we're gonna go knock this big old pine tree out. I haven't seen it. I didn't do the estimate. We'll see you there. It's an hour away, but as I always say, it's gonna be like 1 second for you. So see you in about a second. All right, we're here. The job is right on a main street. Well, it's called Main Street too. So we got our crew. We're here in a church parking lot. I think it's that pine tree right there. I think. Not pine. All right, vest and hard hat engaged. Is that it right there? There's pictures.
Their tree.
Yeah.
Eastern white pine in the front yard overhanging a customer's house.
Yep. Okay. Yeah, I think the first thing that we need to do is get the lift in here and bring it up, you know, to the lines, and then we could get stretch set up. How, I don't know, but we will. We'll get it at least limbed up to the power lines, get everything off of it, and then we could get the lift out.
The tops are pretty tiny.
What's that? Yeah. All we got to do is just get the bottom off and then set up stretch.
Get it like
and tops on tops.
Get it like 10 foot above the line.
Yeah, and then we'll be fine.
Yeah.
And we can pick everything. I mean, I could already see we're gonna have an outrigger situation.
Pick everything, or do you want to crane everything?
Well, it doesn't matter. We'll know better once we get to
yeah. Once you open it
once
up.
we open it up. So
yeah.
Let's get the lift. We'll get up in here. We're probably gonna want to mat this bluestone. Right through that gate. He doesn't really need to turn anymore on here at all. Alright, that's in. Now we just got to get the chip box set up. I think he's going to be best right here up on this sidewalk. I think he's going to be best up here on this sidewalk.
Yeah.
Yo. Alright, so we got the chipper set up. It's going to be a little... Hey, listen! These limbs, we need to take extra care going through that, because at the end, I don't want them two gates all scratched up and torn up with limbs, you know what I mean? So if they're small, you can throw them over. If they're long, you bring them through. Make sure you got two guys. Don't let things scraping in and out the whole time, you know? Alright, so we're setting up stretch. We got full permission to use this front yard. And we got it set up where we're not even in the road. Jack it up with this side. Not bad, Shane, not bad. It's off, but it was close. Victim of love. Lord, I never thought I'd be a victim of love. Yo, did I forget that rim yesterday? Because that shit, I must have missed this rim yesterday. No? Bro, we had that shit 200 times worse. I know. Yeah, we had it so bad the bubble wasn't there. Yeah. Just get that last one going over the house, then we'll put you back here. We'll hammer what we can. If it comes to it, we have to crane the ones there on this side, we will, but these ones we should be all right. And then I think what we'll do is, once he's done with his job, we'll scoot that back there out of the way. We'll take these mats, mat the front yard where we're setting the material down, and that'll help us from poking any holes or anything in there, because I do know their water line comes up through here, so we don't want to be poking nothing and breaking any water lines. All right, we'll see you once we get stretch set up. So between the last scene that I just filmed, once again, pouring rain. I mean, there was literally sun, it was hot, like blue skies, beautiful. And then this. It's like all the time. It don't matter what we do, we get stuck. I checked the radar. It's the tiniest little blip of green. Tiniest little blip of green. All right, so the tree wasn't coming down fast enough for me. I don't like slow-paced shit. So I decided to jump up in here. I'm up in the bucket now. We're gonna get some shots. I got the knuckle boom working on one side of the tree and I'm working on the back side. So let's get a couple pieces on camera. All right, I'm gonna tip tie this piece here. Hopefully the camera's at a good angle for you. I'm gonna tip tie this piece here. I'm gonna cut it down there. We're gonna swing her out. Tie my bowline in there, dress it up nice. Stick out of there. Yep. Hopefully the camera's, I never know what way to set this camera so that it shows everything. This one's tied up. Little bird's nest. Ian's good. Now what I like to do, instead of sitting around and waiting for that, I'm gonna put my sling in my next spot. So I'm gonna go down right now. I'll leave that in there. I can send it back up. No sense of going back up when a rope's coming back up anyway. Yep! There's Nick. Now I have another sling here. Hey, you could send that back up. To move slow. I don't like screwing around, man. Sitting around doing fucking nothing. Hate it. Drives me nuts. Now on this one, I'm gonna tie this first. Hopefully you caught that. Nick, give me a different rope. All right, that's that. We're gonna chunk a few off here, so I'll be right back. I got that tied up, running over there. Make a cut here. They got a tagline on it. You guys don't have to pull, it's just to help you. Nick, I know you're jealous. Hey, you don't have to be jealous. You want to be up here. You want to be up here. Nick wants to be up here. Look how jealous Nick is right now. He's so jealous. Yep. All right, so I had to get out of the way quick so he could take this top for me, which he already did. There's Nick down there working hard. Alright, well now I can go back in. I started this video a little late. I hit the button, but it took a couple seconds to record. But I was really close to him folding that. I wanted you guys to see it. But it just didn't work out the way I wanted. I'm gonna scoot up in there and take that one there quick. Be right back. All right, so hopefully you can hear me. We got all the tops off. There's still some brush left. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna start craning chunks and they could dice it off. Nick, I'm going for the skinny one first. So we're gonna go take this one. I'm gonna work that one back. I gotta take these two. I'm essentially got to work my way that way. All right, we're getting the first one hooked up now. Yep, down. Take a little pressure off. Good. Hey. Yo.
Just make them in reason so I can lay them down.
Yeah. It's gonna be just a little bit out of reason.
Hey.
Yeah. Yep. Boom up. All right, that went well. All right. So if you watch my videos before, you'll know that since I got a limb like this, I don't have to worry too much about this sliding off. So that's why I'm not running a half hitch, it's just one. We'll be all right. Then we gotta go for that one. Gonna let it sit. Hey! Boom out! 6 out! It's off. It wasn't too bad. Alright. Well, that's that for now. They gotta land that. I'm gonna get the next couple right here and then get that middle down, and then I'll be back. Alright, so we got, since I've seen you last, I've taken all those down about 35-40 feet. I'm about to take this one here. And then I'm probably gonna swap out, let Buster take some because my back's hurting. I mean, it is what it is. It doesn't stop me, but why that's not sitting the way I want it to. Alright, that's in. Get plumb with it. Get out the way, get out the way, get out the way. This fucking so hard to keep a good view. Swing that way. Stuck on like a hook. Hey, you gotta go down, swing out, and then go. Buster, my back's hurting. I got the hard stuff. Alright, so I'm back down out of the bucket. Buster's up there taking down the rest of it. I basically got everything to the power lines, below the power lines. We have no more brush, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna load the chip box first. We did bring spare trailers, but I figure we'll load this up too. It's just easier because it's on the side of the road and we can load it directly from the back. I'll show you here in a second. So this is what I was talking about, loading from the back. Because if we use the dump trailer, we'd have to stop traffic because you can only load from the side. So I figure, well, fuck it, if that's empty, might as well load it up. I highly doubt we got a fucking cant hook with us either, right?
Oh.
Log roller.
Shane, you got a log roller?
So I'm gonna grab the dually. We're gonna pull the dually into the driveway, and then the logs that are straight, we could just lower them in the trailer with Stretch Armstrong, and the other logs we can load up into the small dump trailer, or the small chip box, straight on like I just showed you. It'll work perfect. Sounds good.
Get the fuck out of here.
Oh, this guy sucks. Hey, let us kick that one out right there, Nick. Devin, kick that log out of there. Put your whole fucking face right on the log. No, kick that log out there.
My whole face on the log. That's
yeah. Set your feet right under the log as it comes down.
Show me how?
You want me to show you how?
Yeah.
I don't want to show you how.
No,
Nice job, Devin. Look at you go, buddy.
I don't get no fucking credit. I put
Nah.
the shit in the tree.
Devin. No, you get credit. I give you credit. See, that's how that's done. Right in the trailer, no waste of time. Alright, so That's got a pretty hard back lean to it. So we got the rope coming to the snatch block. The snatch block, what we did is we took these pegs out of the fence and we ran it to the back of the truck. That way we could pull it. Should work pretty well. I don't know if we have all the mats. You got all your blues, and how many you got? 12 or some shit? Because we could get them on the trailer right now.
Yeah, those are all of our mats are here.
If we got all them, might as well get the. How many you got?
12.
12. So how many's there right now? 12. 12. So yeah, you might as well get them on your trailer. Something to do.
Over here, you want to drag them over to the south?
Gotta be so fucking strong. Crazy. Yeah. Can you give me another long ass strap? Get this coming off and going in the trailer. It's recorded already.
Rush.
I never know where he is. I'm like,
Dude, I'm looking for him up in a bucket.
Yeah.
He's over here and then he's way over there. I was like,
upstairs?
yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's the keys. All over the place.
I don't know if you can lift that.
That's gonna be.
That's okay though. If you can, it's fine. We'll get this one out the way. We'll cut it again. It's not a big deal.
You want to see if you can lift it first?
He's saying no. Yeah, you don't even need to try it. At least swing it off to the side. Yeah, that's all right. Go down with it.
The truck really won't lift that.
Go.
I feel like I've framed bigger tulip pieces off it now. Remember them tulip chunks? Fuck yeah.
Just go straight. Yeah.
Then again, it was a different setup too. I think we were a little bit less out with that bottom.
Oh yeah,
board.
we were way less out.
I can't believe it came.
Go in with 4. Keep it on the ground. What are you at?
150%.
No, it shuts them off at night. What are you at?
97.
97?
He's coming in with the bottom boom. No, he should be all right.
I don't want to chance it down. No, set it back down. It's all right. At least we got it off out of the way.
It's flexing.
That's fine.
Log truck would have picked that fucking right up.
This? Yeah, but look how far away we are.
No, I know.
This you can get. That ain't shit.
Not compared to that piece. That thing was massive.
So the tree's down, not fully cleaned up yet, but all the wood's loaded. I'll be honest, I didn't think we were gonna get it done today. I don't think if I didn't jump up in the bucket and start roping and rigging some of that stuff that we probably wouldn't have finished. It wasn't that the knuckle boom was it was doing its job, it's just we couldn't take big pieces because you have power lines everywhere. I mean, look at them all. There's another one lower over here. We got this one, 3-phase, all the cable and internet. So it worked out pretty well. No damage to the bluestone. Very minimal. There's one slight rut out in the grass where we dropped the log on top of another log. But our customers are always told that that's a possibility. So not too bad. Not too bad. I mean, we left at 4:07. It's going on 5:30 now. We should be back by 7. I think so. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Have a good day.